Kwaririria na anyiti itemi harĩ gĩcunjĩ gũcenjia thogora wa maguta. Kambuni ya maguta ya Kenya NOC nĩyambĩrĩirie mĩario bũrũri-inĩ wothe ta gĩcunjĩ kĩa mũbango mũnene wa gũthondeka kambuni ĩrĩa kũringana na watho yagĩrĩirwo nĩ gũtũũria ũigananĩru wa maguta bũrũri-inĩ, no rĩu ndĩhotaga nĩ ũndũ wa mathĩna ma kĩmbeca. Ũnyitanĩri wa mũingĩ bũrũri-inĩ wothe ũrũmĩrĩire mũtaratara wa President William Ruto mweri ũcio ũrathirire ũrĩa Kambuni ya thirikari ĩrĩa ĩgatuĩka kambuni ĩmwe.
We are in Embu currently conducting a public participation, awareness creation, sensitization session, and the main reason why we are doing this is concerning the revival and commercialization of National Oil Corporation of Kenya. The reason behind it is that being a state corporation, there is need to engage with the public to get their views and comments on where we are supposed to go in as far as the nationalization of National Oil Corporation is concerned.
Public participation is going on throughout the country. As we speak now, I have been in Mombasa, some in Garissa, others Kitale and Nakuru to cover the rest of the country. Also, you'll find that tomorrow we shall have a similar exercise in Nairobi and other parts of the country, and bringing everyone on board so that knowing that this is a public meeting, we must travel with the public in this journey.
National Oil Corporation has experienced some challenges in the recent past, the main one being financial challenges, and the main reason why the government has seen it fit to revive the company is so that we can come out of this problem and be able to undertake our core mandate as is stipulated in our incorporation documents. We are supposed to be carrying out several mandates, the main one being carrying out exploration and gas activities in the country, ensuring stability of oil prices, and over and above that, guaranteeing the security of supply. So because of the challenges we've experienced, we've not been able to undertake this mandate fully. However, it is anticipated that with this revival and commercialization, as was passed by Cabinet, we shall be able to revive and we shall be able to start undertaking our mandate effectively.
Has been ongoing behind the scenes, and now we are coming to the public. As you know, the government has come in very strongly to try and revive and commercialize NOC because it does a very important job for the country. A revived NOC will lead to, better fuel prices. It will lead to employment. Those auxiliaries that are being that shall be created will also bring about jobs for our people. So it's a very important exercise.